Strong connection, strong butter. Round 10 in this World Championship fight.
Elizabeth wants to finish strong.
Sana mag-kick ako siya ng konti na para talagang
Dikit, ano? Dikit ang tama na ito. Dikit ko rin knockdown o 2 bilang. That would be great. Para na makapag-pull. Pero dikit ang laban. She can have it.
he's a missing counter attack.
Now, if Fairboard, let us start really working. Masyado siya na-focus yung sa cutting. The point na he abandons his own screen style. He has to attack. Because he's the challenger. You have to show the judges I really want the title. Not just want to make it that work. I want the title.
Yeah, you have to take the title away. Magaan ang mga dalawang fighters. Bouncing around the ring, showing no sign of fatigue. Ang dalawang fighters. Posisyon, papasok sa world title fight. Well, kailangan.
The crowd. Merlin Doe.
Crowd. Sigaw, tapusin mo na, tapusin mo na.
Ano, niya dito kasi lakas si Lindo.
Naging konting na.
Banda naman, naging boxer. May problema.
Pressure fighter. Dapat ha, kumitin nyo.
Blood. Uzi, naka-jumping na Lindo. Power shot.
Ay. Naku, hinawakan ninyo. Dito yung...
May tama na rin.
Oh my God, it's the right. Sana naman. Grabe. Melissa bleeding from both sides of his face. Wow. Naku. Never seen this before from Benito.
Leading on both sides. He's going to be there. And he's trying to just watch what I'm saying.
Bukang-buka yung bagong sugat.
Right, moving.
Now, parang halos hindi na makakita si Mina. Dahil may dalawang putok. He's closing his right eye. Tignan natin ulit.
Benito was landing well. He's pointing to a headbutt. Natin kung talagang sinulo siya. Si Butter. Ayun!
Reklamo na yun.
Oh, pero tagalit si Milan.
Feeling niya, nasintihan siya.
Nako, talagang bulot. Ayun, susap natin sa match. Halos,
Parihag forma.
halos eksakto ang lugar sa kanan, ano? Yung kanina sa kaliwa, ngayon sa kanan.
Sinirok siya, no?
Hindi na makita, oh.
Oh, yan, oh. Dito pa rin ang nag-work ng match. Oh, may tape pa sa katawan niya. Nakasara yung kanan mata ni Benito.
Away pa lang.
Nakakita rin from the right eye. Sigurado. Mukhang ano. Natin yung decision ng ring doctor. Malalim eh. Parang mas malalim yung sa kanan. Ano ito ba? Exact po yung lugar, oh. Turn in. Ay, hirap gawin kasi.
That's a ringside decision.
Go pa rin.
Ah, kaya pa?
Naku.
Struggle with time.
So, halos lalaban na to si Benito ng gamit ang isang
Patay na ba?
na. Oh, wow.
Double lang dito. Bali na sa mata.
Ba?
Round 11. Para sa championship belt ito. World title fight. Hawak ni Benito ang belt. Mga Pinoy is bleeding. Uy, kailan mo yung dugo? Yung pati yung referee kung na ng dugo.
Ba?
Captain all, Benito. Hindi ba kamay ibat sa nilawin? Pwede ko naman kamay Benito. Yeah.
So either punch from
Oh, right side.
will land on the left or right cut.
Kung magiging mas makamay si Butler, hindi natin. Sa giving up
Opening, closing aside, siguradong comfort na talaga yung parinig niya.
Welcome to Pinoy Pride, the Director's Cut edition. Hello.
So, Butler is trying to be more active dito to take advantage of the two big cuts.
But the thing with Butler, dapat ibalik mo na yung estilo mo.
Yun nga.
Pag nakakamay ka na, brawler ka na, kasi kahit ano suntok eh.
Ito na ang panahon.
Pero masyadong mataas ang respeto ng kaibigan. Natatakot din si Butler. Natamahan. Kamigin. So in a way, Butler has not been able to capitalize. At tumatama pa ng magandang counters si Milan. Goodbye, Babilan. Babilan.
Wow, tingnan na. Tingnan nyo.
Nadugo. Butler. Butler. Sorry, by Fernando.
Kalit kayo ba?
Milan. Nagkakaroon ng, in a way, too much respect for Milan. He was Butler. It's like a prospect.
Then, second place sa round 11.
So. Oh. Ligo na kayo eh.
Very good round para sa kanila. Dito, itong round 11. Dumali yun! Halos di na makakita. Sumod pa rin.
Oh, maluya sa nila no. Kayo.
If Butler loses this, he will have to himself to
Sana ba yan? Naiganat.
Ito yung instruction ng trainer niya. Magbasin-basin nila lang. Kasi may kapne. But he's a natural pressure fighter. A brawler. So wala masyadong pressure.
Pumudol, tundawa na.
Although may cut na siya.
Sablay na yan. Kuhan, kombinasyon.
The technique, just jabbing. Here we go. Kailangan round number 6. Nagagbat siya. Second half ng laban.
And the front
Cut again is round number 10.
cut again in round number 10.
Dugo, gadugo ngayon.
Mismong lugar.
Again, the
Isa na
defensive
naman
guy.
ang doctor.
Kaya pa.
Bad shot. But Galindo was still countering well. At the end of 7 rounds. Butler, jab.
Na, wapodayuha.
Wow. I think, Kailangan mo rin kailangan din.
Away, gusto, sige.
3 minutes left. It's a world title fight. Ang hawak ni Milan Merino, the crowd gets behind him. Ano ang magagawa ng South African?
Da. Lagot na si Rindo. Panata na ron.
Yeah, big.
Kondisyon mo kayo Rindo. Wala.
But he needed a knockdown. Buzzard under pressure to really attack. Something that he should have done earlier. Instead of selecting to box. The good effort to get Milan. Milan standing his ground. Benito, a good save. Milan is trying to hold on. Cage is all flooded now.
Wow.
Big overhead. What a finish to this new ready fight.
Ay, grabe po natin Benito.
Benito will knock out. But Benito looked dazed. So much blood. Yes, it's a real. 59, hang on. They're not trying to hang on.
Naluyaw si Benito.
They're not trying to hang on. 20 seconds.
Awit.
The light is dazed. Milan is dazed.
Gasta. Grabe. Wala. Daog kayo siya, daog kayo.
Wow. Look at that. The champion really fought his heart out. Now, the punch really added a lot of drama to that fight.
The referee, Wes Melton, ruled it as a knockdown. What a fight. Milan was dazed, ha?
Ligo na niya kontra o.
Dapat
Dapat inagahan niya yung isa, di ba? Lalo na yung
strategy.
dapat mula nung nakuha niya yung second cup, di ba? Ganyan na talaga, dapat.
He paid too much respect. He tried to box when he's a natural pressure fighter. That knockdown may help. Definitely will help. Milan to score.
Wow, look at that power.
That's a good eye. Kaya po, ating inihintay ang anunsyo ng mga Horada Warang Fight. Ito na sa tactical fight, ano?
I mean, hats off to Menendo for,
Oo.
you know, that heart, keeping it up despite the cut. At talagang walang tigil ang tulog sa kaliwa. Tapos sa kanan. At ito, si Milan nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng fans. We're still waiting the decision of the judges. Ayan si Coach Edito Villamor working on the cut sa kanang bahagi ng mata sa ibabaw ng kaliwa at kanang mata, no? At malalim.
Hindi basta-basta cut. There's Donnie
There's a big
Nieves.
hug from another world champion, Donnie
There's the pilot
Nieves.
is racing. And look at that. Sport dito si Butler. Look at that. He's telling the guy, come on, cheer. He was the one who was the struggle.
Ito siguro,
Look at an act of sportsmanship. A very rare act of sportsmanship. As you can see Butler telling the crowd, yes, in a way he deserves your cheers because he was blood and guts in this fight. But let's see what the decision will be.
Ganon, pressure fighting na
Dapat
kung saan
yun,
komportable
yes.
naman siya. Lalo na nung nasugatan na siya nung si Benito.
So,
Nag-ingat pa rin
medyo
siya.
mali discount na jump up jump ka na lang. Anyway, nakabuti pa kay Melini, hindi mo ako nirarush. Eh, di magka-counter lang ako. Pero imagine if God had that swarming offense nung nakat na, di ba? That would have
Kasi
put...
na-daze na si
Oo.
Benito in the end and you could tell na halos hindi na siya makakita. No?
Oo.
But it was too late. He did it in the last 20 seconds of the fight.
Yun. Pero ni Eddie Stein. Hanggang sa kawin yung segundo, we thought Melito got days.
Oh,
Oh.
Ayan, nagdadasal na si Benito. Sinasara ang kanyang dalawang mata. Ang sakit siguro niya, ano?
Yan.
Sigurado,
Eh,
maraming stitches yan.
Pagkatapos ng labang kasi, dinandiretso niya. Stitches.
So we have all our VIPs on top of the ring. Yan ang challenger mula South Africa, ang two-time world champion sa minimum weight division at ngayon ang champion sa IBO 108-pound division. Yan ang current champion. Pagkatapos ng 12 rounds, pupunta tayo sa scorecards.
Here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we go to the scorecards, a round of applause for these two ring warriors, Hector Butler and Milan Melindo. And now, after 12 rounds of championship boxing, we go to the scorecards of our three judges at ringside. Carlos Zapia scores about 115, 113 for Butler. Takeo sees about 117, 110 for Melindo. Glenn Trowbridge scores about 115, 112. Ladies and gentlemen, and still the IBF World Junior Flyweight Champion, Milan El Mitonico Melindo!
Milan Melindo. Oh boy, natiling kampiyon with a split decision win over Hector Butler. 12 bloody rounds, in particular from the 6th round onwards. He was badly cut, but Melindo held his ground, and he retained the IBF Junior Flyweight Championship of the world. At ito't kakausapin ang ating kaibigan si Dayan Castillejo, si Milan Melindo. Kumustahin natin si Milan. That was a really tough fight.
World champion pa rin, Milan Melindo. Congratulations, Milan. Thank you po. Nasugatan ka, napakalaki ng cut sa ibabaw ng kaliwang mata, patapos ng round 6. Gaano ka naapektuhan dahil sa sugat na yun?
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat, lalong-lalo po sa Panginoon po na laging nandito po para gabayan po ako. Maraming salamat doon po sa Ala Promotions, kay Sir Ala Antonio Lopez Aldegar, at saka Sir Michael Aldegar, at saka sa ABS-CBN Sports po. Maraming salamat po sa dumalo nito, mga fans ko po, at hindi ko po fans, boxing fans po. Maraming salamat po sa